heard someone say
free pizza?
Yes. I have food to related to cracks. I make hot water. The answers from the piece. Pretty.
What? You never said it was cosmic crab pizza.
Proximity alert.
The cosmic crab pizza. Okay.
Soos.
If it were up to me, we'd be going for a nice slice of crust box pizza.
Oh dear. No, Ratchet.
It's time to stop!
Come on, Clank. This'll be fun.
For yes.
None.
The well-fortified galactic suit, Dr. Nefef.
First, he brought you the world-shattering D&D, then the soul-shattering Soos. Now I'm here to reveal his most nasty Soos.
Boring!
Huh?
Thank you all for coming to my LOL.
The what now?
And Dave. This device, I can rip fabric in the time and space, even into other body hair.
Come on, let's get closer.
No, Ratchet.
Such as the dimension of as the Lair. I'm guessing. And finally, a Soos brimming with creatures so far. My most recent discovery.
The what now?
Disgusting.
Lanyard.
Hey, Ratchet and Clank! Seize them!
Is now. See you later, suckers! And we're back.
Enough slap and tickle! Fuck them! Over there! Sir? My portalizer! No!
A few moments later.
Gotta look at the ugly mug of that guy.
You can't find me in this. I am Captain America, our galaxy's greatest hero. Oh, you need a hero more than I need you. Woo.
Ugh. Whenever we run into this dude, he messes everything up.
Captain Quark, could you please accompany us to the Soos Museum?
Clank! What are you doing?
It is like you said earlier.
Come on, Clank. This'll be fun.
The Soos Museum. Sounds like you're on safeguard that mission to save the galaxy.
Where'd that idiot run off to anyway?
It is a motor.
Nothing. It's tedium sorter. It tediously.
What a load of bullshit.
Right, Clank?
Indeed.
Welcome to the Six Vaults. Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker. The most secure part of the museum. All your favorite weapons are right here. The buzz right here. The wall. The bio-obliterator.
Hey, watch it!
Whoops! My bad. Need a quick distraction? Try this. Now, let's see what this thing can do. Yeon!
Return my portalizer now, or suffer my Or we can just cut to the
The Soos cannon. Well, Knuckles.
No!
Oh, good things happen when we work together.
Agreed. and I accept your apology.
No, that wasn't an apology.
Yay, wow.
Well, this isn't exactly what I had in mind.
Look what robots dragged in. A cat.
Actually, they carried me in, and I'm your mom.
Shh.
Just saying.
Silence! You are what I say you are, and I say you are.
Oh, yeah, I'm your evil.
Well.
Silence!
Cardboard Quark? Return my portalizer, you pathetic, promotion pathetic. Any last words?
No, only a series of letters. Now the portalizer is secure and safe from both supervillains and superheroes and supers and villains, supers and supers alike.
Goodbye.